Hi and welcome back. So again, this is for our Blender diorama restroom little mini basic series. Let's create our flooring. So we're not going to do any editing right now. Sorry, we are going to do editing, but for this we don't need to edit anything. All right. So if you press 7, that'll give you the top view. If you press 3, that'll give you the front view, and you press 1 on the number keypad, that'll give you the side view. What we want is the front view, so press 3 on the number keypad, and we're gonna press S, C, and we're gonna make our flooring like that. And we're gonna go up, and it's gonna get lined up with the y-axis right there. That's what we want. All right, so then we're gonna press S, Y, actually press 7, because we want the top view for this. We want to make it pretty big, so SY like that. That's about 5 squares top, 5 squares bottom. This is all going to be relatively sized, so don't worry about it too much. S, 3, 4, and 5 right there. That is our flooring. And then we're going to press this, and we're going to, with this selected, press Shift D. It'll create another one. And then we're going to press R, Y, 90. And that'll create our wall. And what we want is this wall to go up and connect like that. But something that's really important, or that we want, is to do some snapping. And we want to do face snapping. So that's pretty good. Okay. And then we're going to do the same thing, Shift D. R, C, 90. Press 3. Go down. Line it up. And that's pretty good. Alright. I guess it's not lined up too well. That's good. Press 7. Alright, that won't be too much of an issue. Alright. Now, we can do two things. Let's say we want to add some resolution to this. We can press Edit to this wall, and then press Control R, which is Control R. There we are. It's just, I guess, that yellow line right there. Yeah, and this is, what's it called? Loop cut, and it'll cut our geometry like that. So it'll make it, it'll increase the resolution. We can do that, or take that off, Control C, and then go back to object mode, and then go to over here where it says modifier, and add a subdivision. Actually, no, not subdivision. Press right. Go back to edit, sorry. I'm all over the place. But anyway, and then subdivide. So it'll cut our, it'll make loop cuts for us where the resolution is even throughout. And we can keep doing this as many times as we want to get it to where we want. So that's good. And we're going to do the same thing for all of them. Object mode, select this one, tab, edit mode, and then we're going to subdivide a few times. This is so things are just easier to work with. Tab. One big thing. Oh, I mean, that's not really a big thing, but you see over here where we have vertices, edges, and faces. So let's say you select a face right here, and this is in face mode. This is all you're really allowed to select. So if I press edge mode, you're in edge mode. So you're not going to select faces. You're only going to select edges for that object, yeah. And then same thing for vertices. You're only going to be allowed to select the vertices here, and that's really helpful for modifying things. All right. So now that we've done that, I think we're almost good to go. Let's just adjust this because it is kind of annoying me. All right, S, C, maybe like that. Then bring it down here. Press 3, press 1. All right, S, and S, 6. All right, that's. Oh, it's because we have snap on here. Okay. So it'll go to the closest phase. Okay, that's not too bad. If it overlaps here, that's fine. Okay, and there we have it. That is what we're going to use for the walls and floor for our diorama. In the next video, I'll show you how to create some tiling, and then we'll start building up a little more and more.